What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're going to be making peanut butter and jelly French toast sandwiches. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, welcome back. So we're going to go ahead and start making the French toast batter. I got 5 eggs, large eggs. A little bit of ground cinnamon. A little bit of vanilla extract. And some milk. Alright, gonna whip this all together. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and set this to the side. We're gonna go ahead and start making the peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Alright, I went ahead and made peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I'm just using grape and a little bit of Skippy's creamy peanut butter. And you can use whatever brand you want. You can use strawberry, blackberry, whatever you want to use. I'm just keeping it OG today. So, got these bad boys made. Let's go ahead and put them all together, throw them on this griddle. Alright. Alright, go ahead and take your peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Dip them in that egg. Place it on that griddle. Alright, after about a minute, we're gonna go ahead and flip them. Alright, it's been about 2.5, 3 minutes. It's time to go ahead and pull these things off the griddle. Alright. Alright, y'all, there you have it. French toast, peanut butter, and jelly sandwiches. This is actually my kid's favorite French toast sandwich. I'm gonna make another video making my favorite sandwich. Oh, we ain't done yet. Ain't forget about that cert. There you go. You see that. You see that. Come on now. Come on now. I still ain't done. Look at this. Come on now. Come on now. Powder sugar on everything. But y'all know what time it is. Hey, my name is Trey. This is Mastablendz. Appreciate you guys for watching, liking, sharing. Leave a comment. Hey, it's time to eat.